Hi, it's Rick back with Musician's Edition and the Tenor Saxophone Book 2, page 29 today. Page 29 is taken up entirely by one song. It's a band arrangement, and that means that it is written for an entire band, so other instruments will have different parts, like the flute, the clarinet, the trumpet, percussion. And so our part is generally or mostly accompaniment, and it fits together well when the whole band is playing. So let's work on and learn our part. It's pretty straightforward. There are no repeats or anything like that, no time signature changes or key signature changes. So it says at the beginning, moderato, medium speed, and I will play this one twice, the first time with just a metronome, and the second time with a band arrangement of the song that I found on YouTube. So here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. I'll play with a recording here. There is no count off, so I will just start playing when I hear them begin. right, there you go. Good luck with that one. I hope you enjoy.